Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling this New York sweatshirt in a nice 4 different way. I can't wait to show you because they're all gonna looking really cool. This sweatshirt is amazing. I like the color, the vibe, very stylish as well. And the way we're gonna make it look is gonna even more stylish here, more coolest, more street vibe as well. Just in case you like the way I'm gonna style my own sweatshirt, your sweatshirt, the one you have in your wardrobe, try them, style them the way I'm gonna style mine, because mine is gonna look really cool and yours is gonna look amazing as well. It doesn't matter to have the same sweatshirt I got, the one you have in your wardrobe, just style them the same way I'm gonna style my own in a 4 coolest streetwear, street vibe as well. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's go. First off is amazing, very stylish, very cool as well. We put joggers on and Air Force One as well, very cool. Then we put sweatshirt on top of it as well to keep it a bit more stylish to it as well. Then we put bucket hat on, amazing. Leopard one, keep it stylish. Everything just cool together, and I like the way the sweatshirt look, amazing as well. Make sure you press your joggers with the iron and your sweatshirt as well. Press them with the iron because they're gonna look really cool if you press them with the iron. Or don't press the printing side, press the inside out because they're gonna look amazing. Let me give you guys 360 to see how cool my outfit look. Great, amazing. And yours is gonna look really cool. Any sweatshirt you have in your wardrobe, style them with your own nice cooler joggers as well. Then clean your Air Force One, put them on, because they're gonna look amazing. And put your bucket hat on. Any hats you got, put them on because you're gonna make them looking kind of from nothing to different vibe. Because if you can put just only the sweatshirt on, yeah, that's cool. It's just gonna be like plain. But if you don't kind of style them with a bucket hat or put something kind of necklace, bracelet, ring, wristwatch to put them on to make it look cool, it will look boring. But because I put the necklace, the bracelet, the wristwatch, it make it look kind of different, and the bucket hat as well. Keep it cool, keep it classy. But if you don't fancy the bucket hat, don't put them on. But make sure you adjust your hair, cut your hair, braid your hair, do all kind of amazing stuff. Spray your hair with the gel, with the oil, because they're all gonna make different. They're all gonna make the look amazing, and it will complement the sweatshirt better as well. Don't forget, clean your Air Force One, very important as well. Like this is really cool. The print, everything amazing. With the Air Force One, just swag, everything just cool. The necklace, everything talking to issues are just making kind of cool street vibe, streetwear as well. If I step out like this, honestly, people will give me compliment, and you too, they will give you too compliment because you deserve it. Honestly, amazing, cool as well as well. I'm thinking, what I don't like about this outfit to let you guys know. No, everything just cool, fresh as well. I like it, and it's oversized as well. Very cool. You don't need to put anything under it. Very relaxing vibe as well. Honestly, look, you can see a little bit like putting like kind of upward like that, kind of different stylish look as well. If you feel like, you put it down. If you don't feel like, you just do all kind of stylish look. You're gonna look really cool. Either way, honestly, I like the vibe. Any trainers you go, clean them, because when you clean them, it's gonna look really fresh, stylish as well. Don't forget your roll-on. If I didn't remember you guys before, your roll-on, your perfume is very important because you're gonna make it look kind of amazing together, and people will smell you. You know why? You press your sweatshirt with the iron, everything master, because they can tell you look great. Honestly, not me, because the way you pull the outfit together, it speaks to people in different ways that I don't know, but people will respond back the way they feel in different ways. Either they smile, either they compliment you, either they're staying at you. They still giving you compliment in different way because they can tell how cool it is on you. I'm liking the vibe is amazing on me, fresh as well. Remember, don't forget your ring, your wristwatch, your bracelet, your necklace, put them on. Your bucket hat, if you want to be a bit more stylish, put them on. So you're gonna look really cool. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. It's amazing. I like the way the sweatshirt look, very cool. The sweatshirt is amazing. You can make it even look more better with the flare trousers, amazing as well. With the Air Force One, coolest vibe as well. And bucket hat, you fancy that, put them on because you're gonna look really cool, really stylish as well. I like the vibe. The flare trousers just cool together with the Air Force One, amazing, and it bring out the sweatshirt out more better. You can even fold the sleeve as well. in a different stylish way. And that's how you have to put your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch. You need to put them on. Your necklace, you need to put them on. When you put all those things on, it will complement the sweatshirt more in a different way, in a stylish look as well. I like the vibe. I'm checking. Is there anything I don't like about this second outfit? No, everything is just on point, just cool. I like the jeans, the color vibe, just cool together with the sweatshirt as well. And the bracelets as well, just go with the sweatshirt. Everything is just cool. The bucket hat, amazing. If you don't fancy bucket hat, don't worry. You can style them on its own like that. But make sure you cut your hair, braid your hair, because they're all gonna look really cool if you do all those things. But if you want to be a bit more edge, more street vibe, more coolest way, the way I'm looking right now, put your bucket hat on because you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be stylish as well. I like the vibe, everything just cool, a different coolest way. Amazing. Honestly, you know, when you don't know the way the outfit is gonna look until you pull them on. This is how I'm feeling about this sweatshirt. When I'm holding, I'm kind of looking like, is it gonna looking really cool because it kind of New York kind of vibe, and I kind of okay, I know what to do. I'm gonna put my fashion sense idea into it for you guys because I know when you have yours, you can style them even though better than the way I'm looking right now. Now I got them, then I style them. Then I quite like them. I would like, this is really cool. With the bokeh on, try them on. Let's see how they're gonna look. They look amazing. And that's why I'm showing you guys the fashion sense, the trick and art. Because they're all gonna look really cool either way. Because I like the vibe, honestly, on its own. Just cool. Look, the flat trousers just amazing. I'm looking like the flat trousers are just cool. Even though the color kind of in a different vibe, I like it. And the bucket kind of keep it cool, be casual as well. Look, I like this. There's no way if I'm stepping out, nobody won't give me a compliment. They will give me a compliment or they will smile or they will stare because they can see how cool, how stylish this outfit look for me. Me too. I like it. I'm impressed. I'm stylish. Everything just great. What do you think? Do you like it? Yes or no? For me, I think they look great. They look amazing. So try them on. See how you go with it. Check yourself in the mirror. See how the way they look on you when you put your own sweatshirt on with your own flat trousers and Air Force One or any trainers you go. Put them on. See how you're comfortable with. If you don't fancy the white trainers or white Air Force One, you can put like kind of black on or blue, any color you have. Put them on because you're gonna look really cool, really stylish as well. I'm thinking, let me do this. Does it gonna look really cool? I don't know. Let's just try them on. Look, amazing. You see why I told you guys like the fashion sense idea will go from here is another planet. Amazing. Look, I pulled the sunglasses on. Look how it changed the vibe to a different level. And if you have your own sunglasses as well, put them on because they are gonna make the outfit look great to you. Look, just plain sweatshirt. Look how we make it look. The sweatshirt. Look how we made New York sweatshirt look. Amazing. I like it. Very cool. Very stylish. If someone have the same sweatshirt, we're gonna stand out more. You know why? Because all the accessory, the vibe, everything we put onto it, it make the difference. It make it unique. It make it stand out more. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. Oh, that is amazing. The way we're making the sweatshirt look, me too, I'm kind of impressed because they're all looking really cool in different way. Now we put joggers on. Amazing. I like the way he look. Then we put chunky sole overs on to give you a bit more different head, more relaxed, more street vibe as well. In case you don't like the Air Force One or you don't have Air Force One, you can put chunky sole overs on because chunky sole overs give you a bit more different vibe to it as well. If you can see, I'll call it low joggers on. Amazing. I like the joggers. The vibe just different level. Honestly, look, this is really cool. The sweatshirt cannot have its own vibe. We can keep going. It's gonna be keeping better. That's why I'm giving you guys all the tips and that as well. Because if you have your own sweatshirt and you don't even know the way you want to style them or you don't think they can look cool, that's why I'm giving you that kind of guidance, like I can styling tips to make it feel more kind of fresh vibe. Because you might not be able to get the new one, but the one you have in your wardrobe is still amazing. It's still cool. Just style them with your joggers, the one you like. Put them together. Your trainer, the one you have, clean them because you're gonna look really cool either way. and people will give you a compliment because they can tell how cool, how stylish you make it look, how the effort you put onto it, because they can tell. You just impress yourself the way you make the sweatshirt look with the joggers, with the chunky sole overs. But people other side, they feel the vibe because the outfit speaks to people in different way. I don't know, you don't know, but the other people know because they will respond back either smiling or staring or looking. They will do all those things and they will be happy to even speak to you if they have that boldness enough because they can see how stylish you make the outfit look. And me too, I'm quite impressed. Honestly, very clean, very fresh. The color vibe, amazing. Don't forget, press your sweatshirt with the iron as well, inside out. You know why? Because if you don't press them with the iron, they will be crisp. They won't look kind of cool. They will be plain boring. But if you press them with the iron, there will be more, it be more stylish, it be more clean, fresh vibe. People will know you fresh. Trust me. It's not because I'm telling you, people can tell how you fresh you look. Because what everything you did, it matters. You clean your shoe, you press your hoodie, you press your joggers, you adjust your hair, you braid your hair, you cut your hair, you put all hair gel products in your hair, and you spray yourself as well with a perfume or any roll. And if you step out, the way I'm styling my own sweatshirt right now, they will give you compliment because they can tell all those things matter. You just think you just do that. It matters. And when you're other side, when you step out, they will kind of, I like that guy, it's cool, it's right. They will stare at you. And again, they will step back, they will look, they will smile. They all give you a compliment because people have sweatshirt, right? They have jogger, they have chunky sole lovers. But the way you put them together, you make them feel happy. And they're even more happy than the way you even think. They will remember themselves when they get home like, I think I need to start my own sweatshirt like the way that guy's style his own because it look great on it. You give them that kind of different thought, that kind of different imagination, and they'll be happy. And next time when they see you, you're gonna be different. You know why? Because we got different styling tips, and if you don't, go back and watch all my videos because they're all going to be something different every time. And if you do that again, and if that person see you, they'll be like, oh, you look great again. You look amazing. Because every day, anytime you step out, people will know you're different. You know why? Because the way we make it look all the time, we put something unique, tips and guide into it. If I might not be able to start this again. Trust me, guys. And I'm passing back to you because I want you guys to go on a day, dinner, brunch, any event because your happiness is my joy. If you win, I win. So make sure you come back for more because they're all going to be love, different hack and tips as well. You're going to be benefit from it because your happiness is my joy. And if you win, I win. Look, if I step out like this, they will give me compliment. I don't know who's that person. They will stay at me because I can say how cool, how fresh I look. I spray myself and I'm spraying it nice now. And you too, you need to spray yourself before you step out. Adjust your hair as well. Oh, it's going to be cool, amazing as well. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. The last one, very cool, very stylish. We'll put baggy cargo trousers on with a sweatshirt. Everything cool. Then we'll put Vivian Westwood logos on to keep it a bit more kind of streetwear, classic and fresh as well. I like this. This is really cool. Baggy jeans with the Vivian Westwood logos kind of have its own different swag. If you don't know, now you know. Try them as well. If you have logos, put baggy cargo trousers on, then you can see how cool you're gonna look. Then put your sweatshirt on top of it. You won't regret it, trust me. Because when I do that, I'm quite happy the way they look. They're kind of unique, fresh, casual, in different vibe. If I step out like this, people will give me compliment. I don't know who that person is. If who's staring at me, it will look like that guy is cool. I like his vibe because the way we make it look is very interesting, very stylish, amazing as well. The bracelet is there, the ring, the wristwatch, necklace, cool. Everything just cool. And I like it. You're gonna like it too if you do so. It doesn't matter to have the same sweatshirt I got or the same baggy cargo trouser that I got or shoe that I put on. The one you have, style them the same way I'm styling mine. And if you have the same, style them the same way I'm styling mine. Because we're all gonna be looking really cool in different way. and you're gonna be getting that compliment in different way. People will look at you, people will staring at you, people will come to you and want to speak to you. They will give you that compliment because they know you're cool. Trust me, it happened to me many times. I'm not joking and I'm not lying, because when I step out, I see the look, I see the smile, I see the staring, then I see the compliment. You too, you're gonna get them because they're all looking really great to me. Like this, amazing. I like the vibe. Look, I'm thinking which one I don't like. The first one is looking great. The second one, the third one, this last one, amazing. I'm impressed. You know, when you even happy for yourself, you know, when you happy for yourself, like you happy for yourself, you already know like this is cool. You already happy for yourself, like this is looking great. The emotion, the feeling you gain different level because everything just great, everything just cool. So why if you step out, people look at you like kind of wow, that's cool. The way people feeling different to the way you feeling because you just okay, I'm impressed. But the other people they see it in different level because you just see yourself in the mirror like that's cool, I like it, you happy. But people you give them that kind of different mindset because it will be rolling their head like, oh, that guy is cool, it's amazing. They want to speak to you, but if they don't have that boldness enough, they will just stand or they will smile or they will just like kind of staring at you because they can tell you look great, you look cool. Just plain, just normal sweatshirt, you turn it to different vibe. And they'll be looking like, I got that sweatshirt at home and I got that baggy jeans and I got that and got that. You give them that kind of different thinking, and when they get home, they will style them the same way you style it. And next time they will be expecting something unique again. And if you come back to my channel, something is going to be all unique every time you come back, different vibe. Then when you style that, and again, they saw you again, they will like, it's cool again, it's amazing. Because they're all going to different styling tips every day, different idea, different kind of coolest vibe. Because I want you to win. I want you to go on a date because your happiness is my joy. If you win, I win. So which one do you think you like? The first one, the second one, the third one, the last one? I don't know, but you can pick any because they're all gonna looking really cool. And if I put my sunglasses on, I'm looking even more greater, more stylish, more cool as well. Look, this is cool. This is fresh. Don't tell me this is not cool because I can tell how fresh, how cool I look. And if you do the same thing, more better, more stylish as well. It doesn't matter to you. It doesn't matter to have the same sunglasses that I got. The one you have, style them. You can see how cool you look when you shaking yourself in the mirror. Like, I think I look great. I even looking more better than the way he looked. That's what I want it to happen to you. I want you to look more, even more better than the way I'm looking. Your happiness is my joy. So which one do you think you like? Go to the comment section, drop it. Let me know. Your opinion matter as well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family and friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you. Lovely, amazing, coolest, beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.